Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what is the difference between asset CI or install base item IBI we call it? There's always a confusion, there's always a problem statement comes to my customer's head and even I was wondering what is really about. So imagine you have a van and you get a bill of that van like it's a brand new van and you get a cost of like 5,000 but in reality a van is actually has blown up its engine. It has been sitting down there for 2 days. The finances has the receipt, but it doesn't looks like it's a reality. There's a big gap of our cost in the retail empire. Same thing, like today we are going to see how the bridge is actually connected. We build the engine that keeps the receipt and also the reality it perfect syncs. So let's dive into it.